What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a new and beautiful tweak. This tweak will give you the iOS 16 live activities on old iPhones running iOS 14. As you see, you will be able to have some of your live activities on your lock screen, including interactions with some modules like music, alarms, timer, and more. If you love the iOS 16 live activities but don't want to upgrade and lose the jailbreak, now with this tweak you can get it on any device running iOS 14, including iPhone 6s and iPhone 7. This tweak is really good tweak and it is inspired by iOS 16. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search. Now here search for live activities tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak can't be installed with Cydia, so you'll need Zebra Store to install it. Just go to Zebra Store, go to the sources here and add Havoc source. After adding the source, go to the search. Here search for live activities tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Now go ahead and install the tweak. Click modify, install, click on the tweak here. Now click confirm. I already installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and open live activities tweak preferences. Alright, the first thing you will do here is enable the tweak from here. Now here you can change the style to notification stack or floating view. If you choose floating view, it will float anywhere you want. You can change it in tweak settings. I prefer floating view, so I will choose it. Now here you can customize the module settings. You can customize the reminders, timer, and music module. You can change the module colors or even disable the module you want. Here in more options, you will find some useful options. Alright guys, after making any changes, click apply here to save the changes. As you see, you can get these live activities on lock screen and interact with some modules. This tweak is real beautiful and it supports iOS 14 and newer, so no need to update to iOS 16 to get live activities on lock screen. It's just here with this tweak. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.